Josie. Josie, I love your morning hair. It's so pretty. Your hair is so pretty. Do you want more of Mommy's sausage? Do you want more of Mommy's biscuit? Yeah, you want some biscuit? Yeah? Okay.
Mom. Mom.
Josie, what do you want to tell Taz? You want to tell Taz, out. Out. Taz. Good, tell him. Tell him. You want to get down? Down? Will you say hi first? Oh, Josie. You're feeding Taz right from your mouth. He likes that. Josie, can you say hi? Can you say hi to everyone on camera? Say hi.
Bye.
Or you can say bye-bye. Here you go. Are you blowing everyone a kiss? Are you blowing everyone a kiss? That's such a little crumb. Taz, you want to get down? Okay, okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Good job. Good job. Say I love you. Okay.